So the first bagpipe that I'm going to play for you today is this right here. These are the Scottish Smallpipes, and these are the lesser known bagpipe from Scotland. Well, one of the lesser known bagpipes from Scotland. There are actually several. So this instrument, you can see, first of all, one thing that makes it somewhat different from bagpipes you might be used to seeing is that I don't blow into it with my mouth. So I have this bellows here that is strapped to my arm, and I pump air into the bag. I pump air into the bag with the bellows. So let me just put these back on here. So the Scottish Smallpipes were very popular in Scotland and also in the north of England, probably dating back to around the late 17th century through the 18th century. And later on in the 18th century in Northumberland, in the north of England, a higher pitched version of this instrument was vastly changed and improved so that the chanter was fitted with a large number of keys to expand its range, expand the notes it could play, and another drone was added to it. And that instrument became what we now call the Northumbrian Smallpipes. And if you go on YouTube, you can look up Northumbrian pipers like Catherine Tickell or Chris Ormston or Andy May and hear all the amazing things that they can do with their Northumbrian pipes. In Scotland, the instrument was not changed in that way, and over time it died out. And it was revived in the late 1970s, early 1980s by a small but dedicated group of pipers and pipe makers in Scotland, notably Hamish Moore, who made this set of pipes here for me. So I'll play you a couple of tunes on it just so you can hear what it sounds like. I'll play Hornpipe, The Man from Skye, and a jig, John Patterson's Mare. So enjoy.